नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार।
तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं।
तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
Greetings to you. It gives us immense pleasure to greet and wish our respected Principal Ma'am and all hardworking teachers a very happy Teachers' Day on behalf of the entire management of BBIS Raikot. At BBIS we celebrate Teachers' Day every year because we value you and deeply appreciate your commitment to teaching and to the children of our school.
We wish to take this opportunity to thank you for your invaluable contribution to the institution over the years. Once again, we would like to wish each one of you a very happy Teachers' Day. May God bless you with the strength to achieve greater personal and professional growth in the years to come. Happy Teachers' Day.
Everyone, accept my greetings of the day. I feel immense pleasure to take this opportunity to thank all my teachers for their invaluable contribution to the institution over the years. On this special occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to say that teachers may not always be confined to the four walls of the schools. They may come in the form of your parents, siblings, soulmates, or even friends. In the present scenario, I salute all the educationists. Teachers played best role as COVID warriors. The schools were closed about 6 months back, but schooling and teaching continued. And this time, teaching was in more adverse conditions, absolutely in a noble way. But the dedicated section of the society, the teachers, fought bravely and overcame that and started providing their services online. Every teacher is waiting for the day when their children will come back to the school and the school building will echo with their sweet and loud noises. In the end, remembering Dr. Radha Krishna, the great educationist of the time, I wish Happy Teachers' Day, and the day is not far when we all will be together in the classroom, in the school premises with our children. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day.
Life is a math equation. In order to gain the most, you have to know how to convert negativities into positivities.
ਅਧਿਆਪਕ ਤੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀ ਦਾ ਰਿਸ਼ਤਾ ਹੈ ਗੂੜਾ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਸੁਪਨਾ ਅੱਜ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਪੂਰਾ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਚੁੱਕ ਬਹਿਣਾ, ਅਨੁਸ਼ਾਸਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਦਾ ਹੈ ਰਹਿਣਾ।
ਅਸੀਂ ਹਾਂ ਬੂਟੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਹਾਂ ਮਾਲੀ, ਜੱਗ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੀ ਦੋਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਾਨ ਨਿਰਾਲੀ। ਆਨਲਾਈਨ ਕਲਾਸਾਂ ਦਾ ਮੁੱਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੋੜਨਾ, ਮਿਹਨਤ ਨਾਲ ਨੰਬਰ ਇੱਕ ਜੋੜਨਾ। ਦਿਨ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਐਸਾ ਹੈ ਚੜਾਉਣਾ, ਸੋਹਣੀ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਵਰਦੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੁੜ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਆਉਣਾ।
Dear student, I never loved going to school when I was a student. Now I miss my school as a teacher. Being an English teacher, I want to see your smart faces soon.
एक शिक्षक मोमबत्ती के समान होता है। जैसे मोमबत्ती जलकर औरों को रोशनी देती है, वैसे ही एक शिक्षक जलकर सबको रोशनी देता है।
The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. Stay fit, stay healthy. Happy Teachers' Day.
ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ ਜੋ ਸੁਪਨੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਸੁਪਨਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ
करने ले तुसी पींग जमानी पौड़ी जो ओ पींग नु पौड़ी चढ़ने ले मैं तैयार हाँ मैं तैयार।
किंज पैरां उपर खड़ना है, किंज आफतां दे नाल लड़ना है, किवें भला गरीब दा करना है। तुहाडे अंदर जज्बे भरन लई मैं तैयार हाँ मैं तैयार।
पाठ प्यार दा पढ़ना है, नफरत नु पूंजेला धरना है, तुसी सिर उच्चा कर खड़ना है, तुहाडा मार्गदर्शन करने लई मैं तैयार हाँ मैं तैयार।
मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜਾਗਰੂਕ ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਂ, ਕਰ ਆਨਲਾਈਨ ਆ ਵੜਦਾ ਹਾਂ, ਮੈਂ ਅਣਥੱਕ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਂ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਭਵਿੱਖ ਦੇ ਰਸਤੇ ਲਈ ਮੈਂ ਤਿਆਰ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਤਿਆਰ।
ਚੰਗੀ ਸਿਹਤ ਦੀ ਕਾਮਨਾ ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਂ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਹੱਕ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਰਦਾਸਾਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਦਾ ਹਾਂ, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਉਡੀਕ ਮੈਂ ਰੋਜ਼ ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਂ, ਆਪਣੀ ਹਿੱਕ ਤੇ ਫੁੱਲ ਗੁਲਦਸਤੇ ਵਾਂਗ ਮੈਂ ਤਿਆਰ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਤਿਆਰ ਹਾਂ।
You are braver than you believe, stronger than you say, and smarter than you think.
टाइम गुरु नहीं होता जीवन साकार, सिर पर होता गुरु का हाथ, तभी बनाता जीवन का सही आधार, गुरु ही है सफल जीवन का आधार।
माता देती है जीवन, पिता देता है सुरक्षा, पर शिक्षक सिखाता है जीना जीवन एक सच्चा। लव यू किडो।
राह संघर्ष की जो चलते हैं वही संसार को बदलते हैं, जिन्हें रातों से जंग जीती है वही सुबह सूरज बनकर चमकते हैं, वही सुबह।
बस तुझ में जान बाकी है, दूर बहुत है मंजिल अभी उड़ान बाकी है, आज या कल मुट्ठी में होगी दुनिया, अगर लक्ष्य पे तेरा ध्यान बाकी है।
You can do anything you want, but the only things you need are confidence and hard work. So be confident, it will make you a successful person.
Dear students, when everything seems to be going against you, remember, only in the darkness you can see the stars. So be positive, stay healthy, stay safe.
जल जाता है वो दिए की तरह, कहीं जीवन रोशन कर जाता है, कुछ इसी तरह हर गुरु अपना फर्ज निभाता है।
Self-confidence is the first step towards success. If you believe it, you can achieve it.
Study while others are sleeping, work while others are loafing, prepare while others are playing, and dream while others are wishing. So dream big, never give up.
Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tunes without the words and never stops at all. My dear students, we are missing you a lot. Stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy, and we will meet soon.
5th September happens to be the birthday of India's former President, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan ji, and the country celebrates this as Teachers' Day every year. This year has been full of ups and downs, but it has been a great experience working in a totally different style, adapting techno era with full vigor. However, the schools and their army of teacher warriors have left no stone unturned to assist the students in whatever manner they could, so that the learning process doesn't stop, and salute to their efforts. I wish the entire teaching community a very, very happy Teachers' Day.
I am grateful to those who remain positive during this time and prove themselves as a winner. I salute all the teachers and wish them good luck and bright future ahead. School buildings are waiting for you. Happy Teachers' Day.
Morning everyone, and firstly I wish very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. So on this day we want that our teachers feel very special. To make them feel special, we had made a video which is specially dedicated to them. The only motive to make this video was to thank them.
Teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। सच्चे दिल से
most important in student life. Teachers are the source of inspiration. They motivate us and they give us strength and prepare us to face the problems in our life. Teachers are a blessing for us. So today I want to thank all my teachers for guiding us.
All my dear teachers, a very, very happy Teachers' Day to all. All the efforts and hard works you invested to bring out the best in us never be repaid in mere words. We can only feel grateful and having a teacher like you. Happy Teachers' Day.
Teachers are the divine soul that educate the world as well as cultivate good thoughts in students' mind. They act as our second parents as they help us selflessly to reach our aims. Dear teachers, you are true Corona warriors as in this pandemic period you have been remained working from your home for students. It's an honorable occasion for me to wish my teachers on this Teachers' Day. I salute you for your hard work and dedication towards your students.